Of course, we'll have links to all these down below in the description and the pinned comments so you guys can check them out. Prices, availability, and variants. And without further ado, let's jump right in. We've got that's a sweet looking one. We got the knife right there. We got additional hardware, which is always welcome. We got a sticker, we got a wiping cloth, and some paperwork. This one's going to be part of Kizer's Vanguard series. We're looking at a Sheepdog variant here, under 3 inches, 3.75 to be exact. Sheepdog knives design, AEBL steel with micarta and vortex pattern handle. It is going to be a button liner lock. I mean, that's just the sweet sauce all around. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go ahead and take a look here. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have a smaller version of the Sheepdog. We have no back flipper on this one. It looks like it's going to be a thumb stud only. No opening hole, just thumb studs. Sometimes they do variants with opening holes. And we got the one thing that really jumps at me right off the bat is the micarta here. I mean, look at this thing. Orange with blues, right? In case you don't know, orange and blue are complementary colors. They go well together. So that is nice. And it's got a very sort of like ripple pattern to it, which I absolutely like. So that's looking good. We do have exposed liners, sandwich construction with 2 standoffs, deep pocket carry clip, non-reversible for some reason. I'm not sure why. It should be reversible if you ask me. And of course, it's going to be a good old button operated liner lock. That's just what the doctor ordered right there. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Bam, right there is the blade, ladies and gentlemen. Holy macaroni, take a look. Satin finish on the AEBL steel with the flat grind, sheep's foot blade, looking nice. I'm going to set it down here. You guys can get a closer look. Again, it's going to be kind of like a medium-sized knife with an under 3-inch blade. That should be good. It's depending on your local laws. Some people might be limited to carrying only under 3-inch knives, and this one's definitely going to be able to check that box. Comes with a little extra saliva there from yours truly. How about that? But the one thing that the Sheepdog always has going for it, which I like a lot, is the ergos, man. Check this out. Even with this smaller form factor, I'm able to get a full 4-finger grip with my average size hands. You can also forward choke right here, get a better grip, right, for more control cuts. It's going to be a great utilitarian blade for draw cuts, utility cuts. Got a little bit of belly, but not too much. So that's looking good there. For sure, good plunge grind situation about right there where my nail is. Even got a little bit of jimping down here in the sort of finger choil area. And we have internal milling too for weight reduction, just what you would expect. Now with the button operated liner lock, I mean, this is very, very sweet. I know we've talked about it a lot here on the channel, kind of like a compression lock from Spyderco, but with the button, so definitely a great recipe. Obviously stronger than a original plunge lock button lock. So we got the thumb stud deployment there. We got the reverse flick. Then we can do deployment with the actual button itself. That is sweet also. So yeah, looking at least 3 different deployment options. A good, I want to say iconic design from Kizer by now, right? Kizer just has been killing it here. This is one of the OG true designs that really has stood the test of time. I know that there's the Sheepdog, there's the Bulldog. Those are absolutely 2 of my favorite sort of sheep's foot geometry style knives from Kizer, and very iconic on their own. So yeah, absolutely another great banger here from Kizer with a new colorway, looking really, really good. Again, mid-March 2026 drop. I'll have this one linked down below. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.